In today's video, I'll teach you how to check plagiarism content on Grammarly. So first of all, open the Grammarly application on your device. After you do that, click on this option, New Document. Now after that, the new document will be opened on the browser. You'll be able to find various options over here. If you look at right, you'll be able to find various icons. So if you want to check the plagiarism, what you have to do is simply scroll down. Now right over here, you'll be able to find this option for plagiarism checker. What you have to do is click on it. Now after that, you can see over here this kind of sidebar will be opened up. Now Grammarly will highlight any text that matches the external sources. Keep in mind you need to have the pro version for it. Right now I do not have it. But if you click on the highlighted sources, it will also reveal the original source links and provide options to add the citations directly from the tool. So like this, you'll be able to check the plagiarism. So that is how you check plagiarism on Grammarly. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.